everyone, we're going to simplify roots of real numbers. And these are our three problems that we're going to work on. So for the first one, if we have the cube root of an x cube, that's just going to be x. It's an odd number, so if I put an odd in here, I'll get the same answer. So I put negative 2 cube root, that's still going to give me negative 2. So in our case, we have these variables, so all you're going to do is write this as 2x plus 1. Because these kind of cancel out each other. Alright, for this one, I'm going to break it up. I'm going to write the fifth root of negative 32 times the fifth root of x to the fifth times the fifth root of y to the 10th. I want to write these as to the fifth power. So for the 32, we got the fifth root. You need to know your powers of 2. So that's just going to be, since it's odd, that's just going to be negative 2. If you multiply negative 2 5 times with each other, you'll get negative 32. For this one, these just cancel. They're odd, so that's good. We can have an odd here. We can have an odd here if we want. For this one, I'll split this up as fifth root of this and fifth root of that. So it's going to be y times y. So that's just going to give you y squared. So this is your final answer. Now for the last one, we need to know this. Let's break it up. 144. We're dealing with square root. So for this one, the m, I'm going to write this as m squared times m squared times m squared times m squared. And for the n, I'm going to also make that to the 6th, so I need to have all these squares. Whoops. So let's write n times n square. Alright, so for this one, square root of 144 is 12, but we have that negative in front. Now, if you're going to take the square root of each of these separately, that would be m times m times m times m, so that's m to the 4th. And for this one, you're going to have do them separately. You get n times n times n, which is n cubed. Now the problem with this is we're turning from a square, an even number, to an odd number. So we're going to have to put an absolute value on that. Because if I put an odd number in negative 2, say to the 6th, and I 6th root it or square root it, that's going to be negative 8. It's going to be positive 8. But if I put the negative 2 in here and cube it, that's going to be negative 8. And you can't have it. So you have to do the absolute value. And this would be your final answer. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.